ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
National President Jong National People's Party Conrad Congress Sangma ulaong baka National People's Party kamday satya ka Team B Jong Seng Bharatiya Janata Party wala ka NPP ka ajing kersyanya ka Sarkar National Democratic Alliance balay alam da ka BJP ha New Delhi. Hakajing yakran bat kilat pathay khubor Conrad ulaong baka NPP hadu menta kanya khunbait ya ka election klem kanu gono ka jingya te soskular banya trailang bat kanu gono ka sengsan perthay namar baka NPP kadai ka National Party.
Obviously, Kong Amprine and we all have been always talking, and she has been somebody who's been very keen and interested in the overall state development of the state. And yes, we have seen that the MDC from there, has expressed his willingness to join. But further discussions are not yet taken place, so we will see when the time comes, and then I'll be able to inform you when the time is right. Thank you. It's going well, and definitely the field for NPP is far better than what it was in the last election. We are much more organized, and we have good candidates who have joined us. We have over 42 candidates. We have announced the names, and we are hopeful that we will get much more seats. We are very confident that we will cross a double-digit figure, and let's hope for the results. We hope that we'll do, as I said, far better than what we did last time. I don't want to say anybody spoiling anybody's chances, or it could be other way also saying that NPP is spoiling BJP's chances. I don't think we look at it that way. We just our politics has been very clear. We have always said that NPP is a independent party, and we ensure that we always fight every election on our own. And in some constituencies we're fighting with Congress, in some constituencies we're fighting with BJP, in some constituencies we're fighting with NPF. So it depends on constituency to constituency, and let's see how things go. But as I said, I expect that NPP will do far better than that. See, we have. I don't see any reason for anybody to make that statement, because we've been very clear. We have stood our grounds whenever we needed to. We have challenged stands which the BJP has taken sometimes when we feel it goes against our ideology and goes against the interest of our people and our state and our region. So just because we work in a coalition with them, to tag us as a B team is completely incorrect. So therefore, that's his statement. I have no comments about that. But we are very clear that we have always maintained to strengthen the party and take our party forward.